Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we'll discuss on what is after hours trading. So what is after hours trading? So as the name says, right, we know in US stock exchanges, the trading time gets closed off at 4 p.m. in the evening. So after hours trading starts at 4 p.m. US Eastern time, 4 p.m. in US in EST. It starts at that time and it just goes on till 8 p.m. So for US stock exchanges, the trading window will be active for 4 p.m. EST till 8 p.m. So this particular hours, if the trade is going to happen, they are called as after hours trading. So what is actually the usage of this after hours trading is, so whenever there is going to be the news in the market, say some stock has gone high, some stock has gone low, if somebody wants to get benefited of that, they will start immediately to give attention to that news and they just want to do buy or sell the stock accordingly, take the immediate action. So for them, for the immediate buyers or sellers who feel like they want to buy or sell that particular stock for which they have heard the earnings release, or it might be a loss if they want to just buy for a low amount and sell it to a big amount. So they, based upon their own analysis, if they are having any interest and they want to do this trading of stocks in that later hours, means that means actual closing hours of trading in the US stock exchanges, they do it in this specific time, so which is called after hours trading. They are actually conducted through electronic communication networks or ECNs. Electronic communication networks. So they are popularly called as ECN. So through this only the after hours trading happens. And the after hours trading is the volume will typically thin out much earlier in the session. Why? Because say for example, when the news just comes out, say there is a stock A for which earning release has made, say they have earned a huge profit. So all of a sudden people just want to invest and buy some stocks from this company A. So this A stock at the initial of the after hours trading, it will be huge or high in number. But as the after hours trading proceed, it will go reduced or thin. So we all know, right, as the stocks gets cleared on buying or selling basis, it is getting like this. And these stocks are not that much liquid. They cannot be easily liquidated. Not easily liquidated. They cannot be easily made into cash as soon as they are bought. So it will take some time for them. They are not normal stock trading. So the spread between the bid price and the ask price may be wider in this after hours trading. Spread, that is the difference between bid and ask price. So the buying and selling price, the difference will become wider in this after hours trading. After hours trading, like we call it as AHT. So not only the volume sometimes go down, but the price will also come down for some reason, because it is kind of unusual, right? All of a sudden we hear upon an event or a press release or a earning release or a whatever be, if it's going to be a profit or loss, based upon that the price will also be affected. So the price is affected. And there is a risk is involved in this. Why? Because say for example, in our case we are taking where the A stock is profit, is on the profit end. So the buyers have bought the stock, have bought stocks in huge in the after hours trading period, but there are chances of in the next day when the normal trading window opens, there are chances of the same stock to go low, which will in turn affect these buyers, because they cannot easily liquidate those stocks in the small interval of time, and that is why this kind of after hours trading is highly risky and it's not easily liquidatable. But however, the people who are in the market for a long time, they just try to implement the prior experiences and try to do a good amount of profitable trading even in this AHT platform. So hope you all got an idea of what are AHTs. We'll see in detail on what are spreads, bid, ask, everything in the upcoming videos. So for now, it's a Vicky signing off, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel and also share it to your friends. Have a good day. Bye.